Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make egg omelette sandwich. This is a very simple yet very delicious recipe, and I'm going to show you all my way. This is very useful dish for morning breakfast. So let's get started. In order to make sandwich, I have taken 2 sliced bread. Half of an onion is good enough. Chop fine and keep it on the side. Onion gives you better taste. I've taken half of the onion. It's a small onion though. And a quarter of a tomato. Remove the seeds, leave it on the side and chop it finely. Now I have taken half of a green chili to give a mild spiciness. If you want more spicy, it's up to you. You can add one whole, chop finely and leave it on the side. So now what we require, chop cilantro or few sprigs. Cilantro gives you a better flavor. So once the pan is hot, toast only one side of the bread, not both the side. Keep that in mind. It's only one side. You have to toast both the bread on only one side. So once they are toast, keep it on the side. In the same pan, add oil in order to saute the onions. Once it is hot, add onions. Saute till they are golden brown in color. Add tomatoes, cilantro and green chili. Saute it nicely. Keep it on medium flame. Break 2 eggs in a bowl. Required amount of salt and black pepper. Add the saute ingredients and mix well. Once the pan is hot, add the mixture, and once it is ready on one side, flip it over and fold it in the size of your bread on all 4 sides. This is how you have to make omelette. This is my way, this is how I cook. Now place it on top of the bread which is on toasted side. Now remember guys, we have toasted only on one side. Now in the same pan add half a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt. Now place the sandwich in the pan. Leave it till it is golden brown in color. Toast it properly. See the color. This is how it should be. Now keep the flame on medium and let it toast on the other side as well. Switch off the pan and this sandwich is ready to eat. Look how lovely it is. See how crispy it is. This is how it should be. Guys, check out this recipe. This is how I make my omelette. Do let me know in the comment section how you all like it. And please do share and subscribe with your friends and family. Show some support in the form of likes. And thanks for watching and God bless you all. Thank you very much.